Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 7th, 2018, and I'm going to be showing you how to pick green beans here today. Now, this is one of the green bean stalks. This is one of the first ones that came up from the first planting that we did. And we had some really bad storms with a lot of wind and pounding rain. It did knock it over. So I'm going to get the beans off of it. They're ready to come off. And I have my little harvest bucket over here with my scissors. Let me switch camera here. There we go. So we can see our beans here. This would be so much easier if this plant was standing, but it's not. It's pretty much broken off. So we're going to lose this plant most likely. So I have my scissors here, and I'm just cutting the stem here. Cut the stem off. Now you can like try and pull them off or pick them off with your hand, but that's a shame for that plant. It was a beautiful plant. You can see, yeah, it just snapped it off right at the base. There's nothing I can do with that. It's very disappointing. Let's get in here to get. It's already off now, so it's not going to make a difference. So what you do is I just take the scissors and just cut the stem. And I'm going to be, now these are a little bit smaller, but I'm going to be taking them off because the whole plant broke. It was already broke from the storm. So I just wanted to show you here real quick how to harvest your beans. And again, when I'm done harvesting these, I'll take them inside and put them in the refrigerator, and you can use like a Ziploc bag or some kind of enclosed container so that they don't dehydrate. You don't want to let them lay out because they will dehydrate like on your counter or something. And we don't wash ours until we're ready to eat them or use them. And you can can green beans. You can get like a pressure canner, or some people do cold packing with theirs. That's completely your choice. You can freeze them, however you choose to preserve them. So there's some on this one here too. Will be taken off, and it's your preference how you pick your green beans. If you let them get real big, the plants are going to stop giving because it will signal to the plant that it set its seed and it's basically not needed anymore, so it'll stop giving. The gnats are out here today. So I'm going to finish picking these here. I don't really know how many I'll get because we have two different batches. The first batch, only a few came up and had to replant. And then these here, the second batch, they were the replanted batches. So they're a little bit smaller. They're actually catching up pretty good. I'm really pleased with how quickly they're growing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.